Students, welcome to subject math chapter decimals, and today is 2nd July, so we are going to discuss about decimal. So first we will see what is decimals. The fractions in which the denominators are ten, hundred, thousand, etc. are known as decimal fractions. Now decimal fractions, example 1 by 10, 2 by 100, 3 by 10, these all are decimal numbers and we can represent this as a 0.1. Second one is possible to represent as 0.02. Third one is represented as 0.3. So similarly, if we divide any number by 100, then it will be 0.01. So we have to count the number of zeros, and according to that we have to put the decimal point also. So if it is 1000, so the decimal point will be 0.001. So decimal fractions with as denominator we know. Now decimal fraction with 1000, that one is also known to us. Now we will see some mixed fraction as decimals. Mixed fractions as decimals. So if it is 2 by 10, then we can write this one as a 2 plus 1 by 10, and we already know how to write 1 by 10 if denominator is 10. So this is possible to write as 0.1. So the sum will be 2.01. Similarly, if it is given 17 by 100, so we can write this mixed fraction as a two part, the whole number part and the fractional part. So this fractional part will become now decimal number 17, and it will give us 6.017. Sorry, this will be 6.17 only. The answer will be 6.17, or the decimal representation will be. So look at another example, that is 18 by 29 by 1000. So how do you write in decimal form? First write the whole number part, then the fractional part, and after this fractional part, write down the decimal form of this fractional part, 0.029. So after adding these two number you will get 029. So our answer will be 18.029. Now decimals, decimal fraction we know. Now decimals, the number expressed in decimal form, are called decimal numbers. Are called decimal numbers or simply decimals. Now some examples of decimals we already seen. So 5.8, 19.63, 7.295, etc. are decimals, decimal numbers or decimals, decimal numbers or decimals. Now the next is decimal place. Decimal places. So how do you define the decimal places? The number of digit contained in the decimal part. The number of digit contained in the decimal part is called decimal place of that decimal number. So example, if the given number is 6.75, so here decimal place is 2. So we can say it is 2 decimal place. 2 decimal places. If after decimal point we have 3 numbers, then we will call the number is 3 decimal place, up to 3 decimal places. So 6.753 has 3 decimal places. So according to the number of digit after the decimal point, the decimal places will be determined. Decimal places. So the next is we will learn about like and unlike decimals. So like decimals means if two or more than two decimal numbers are there and their decimal places, number of decimal places are same, then we will call them like decimals. So in case of like decimals, we will see number of decimal places will be same. Suppose 2.5, 7.5, these both are like decimals. Again 2.571, 3.001, they are also same like decimals. Similarly, unlike decimals, so if two or more than two decimal numbers are there, suppose 7.5, 7.512, so both these two numbers have different number of decimal places, so these two numbers are called unlike decimals. So to add or to subtract two decimal numbers, we always make them like decimals. So how do you write any unlike decimals, or how do you convert any unlike decimal into like decimals? So now we will learn about conversion of unlike decimal into like decimals. So the process will be, we have to count. Suppose we have 5.3, 7.19, 0.376. So three decimal numbers are there, and we have to convert this into these into like decimals. These are all unlike decimals because they don't have same decimal places. Same number of decimal place is not there in each number. First number have one decimal place only, second number have two decimal place, third number have three decimal places. So now we have to make same number of decimal places by putting 0 after the number, the last digit. So here the maximum decimal places is 3 digits, so write down each number with 3 decimal places. So this will be converted into like decimals. Now we can add, subtract these decimal numbers. Now suppose the question is like this: arrange the digits of 269.374 in place value chart. In place value chart. So how do you write this all in a place value chart? So to write this one, first write the number decimal point in the place value chart. Decimal point will be then tens, ones, tens, hundred, and similarly another side will be tenth, hundredth. So this will be tenth tth, hundred hth, and thousandth. Suppose our number is up to 2 decimal place only. So now we have to put the above number in this place value chart. So for that, first write down the decimal point, then write the all whole number part numbers digits. So 9 first in the ones place, 6 in tens place, 2 is in hundred place, then 3 is the 10th place, and 7 is in hundredth place. So this number now written in the place value chart. Similarly, now we will compare decimals. Comparing decimals. So how do you compare decimals? Suppose the question is compare 63.84 and 57.98. So to compare two numbers, we have to look at the comparing means we have to write greater than, less than, or equal sign between these two numbers. So first we have to compare the whole number part, and we can see here 6 is bigger than 5, so we will write 63.84 is greater than 57.98. This is 63, this is 57. 63 is greater than 57. Similarly, now write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. So that is 4.83, 6.07, 0.9, 0.465, 7.4. So now if you write in ascending order, that means smaller to bigger number. So first write down the smaller whole number. Smallest whole number is here two number, that is 0 and 0.9, 0.465 and 0.9. So in these two number, so we will write, therefore the ascending order is the ascending order is 0.465 less than 0.9 less than 4.83, then the whole number is 6.07, then 7.4. So now we will see some problem from the exercise, that so we have to write the place value of each digit in each of the following decimals, of each digit in the following decimals. Suppose 14.83 is there, so we have to first write down the decimal point, then ones, tens, hundred, then 10th TTH, 100th HTH, then 1000th THTH. So write down the decimal point, then numbers according to that. 4 1. So this is the all the numbers now is written in the place value chart in their decimal places. So this we have to do here. Now write in expanding form. Write 8.006 in expanding form. So 8.0006 equal to 8 into 1 plus 0 into 1 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 100 plus 0 into 1 by 1000 plus 6 into 1 by 10,000. So this is the expanded form. Take another question, 3 1 number question, that is 67.83. How do you write this one? 6 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 8 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 100. So this will be the expanded form. So thank you, have a nice day.